Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. But in case it's your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcomed. Karibu sana. My name is Sioch Tindi. Kindly consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends as well. Tap on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I get to upload a new video. So guys, as the topic suggests, today we're gonna be doing something concerning motherhood and maybe outside motherhood. Sorry. Guys, we wanna do something about nausea, like about tips on how to help elevate or reduce nausea and morning sickness. Because I think according to research, about 80% of women experience nausea and morning sickness in their first trimester, and worse enough, others even go to the third trimester. Have you ever sat down and thought, is morning sickness or is nausea a sickness or what? And if it's a sickness, does it have cure? Well, not even the medics have the answer to that question. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you 2 or 3 tips on how to elevate or on how to conquer this disease that is called morning sickness, or rather nausea. And guys, the tips I'm gonna be sharing with you are tips that basically worked so well and worked so best with me. Guys, in my first pregnancy, I really experienced morning sickness, like a real sickness. You guys, have you ever wondered, is morning sickness or nausea a disease or what? And if it's a disease, is there like a way out, a solution, or maybe, I don't know. You guys, I hope you will relate with me. If at all you have a sister, a mom, or maybe any she in your life that has gone through this stage of nausea and morning sickness. And by the way guys, I forgot to mention that nausea is not only caused by pregnancy, because nausea can also be caused by hangover. Yeah, many hangovers also cause nausea. So yeah guys, so tip number 1 is knowing your triggers. Knowing your triggers are like something that irritates you. Maybe say smell. Smell is one of the major causes of nausea and morning sickness. Guys, as I said, these are the tricks and the tips that worked best for me. So smell, avoid smelly perfumes, smelly lotions, and just anything to do with smell if at all it triggers you. And guys, please, if at all you have a sister or any she in your life, please bear with them, support them, and don't use those like sensitive conk perfumes. Yeah guys, be your sister's keeper, just be nice to them and give them a humble time. So another thing, tip number 2 is avoiding meals that maybe trigger you. Like in my case, I used to avoid eggs. I never took eggs the whole pregnancy, starting from the first trimester to the third trimester. So like I ate eggs when I gave birth, but throughout the pregnancy I never ate eggs. So guys, tip number 2 is proper diet. And talking of proper diet, one thing that you should keep in mind and keep in practice is proper hydration, because keeping well hydration tends to keep nausea and morning sickness at a distance. So yeah, keeping proper hydration is necessary. So on tip number 2 of proper diet is using frequent fluids, and the fluids that I'm going to mention is ginger juice, ginger tea, and lemon juice or lemon tea. It works like so good, like perfectly good fluid. That if at all you take in fluids, or maybe you can't use like plain water, you can squeeze in the lemon juice or maybe ginger. Grate in the ginger. Either you have ginger powder or the fresh ginger, any can work. Guys, the tips I'm sharing with you, and I told you that they work so good to me. So yeah, take practice, yeah, and it will probably work out for you. And guys, maybe if I forget any of the tips, please feel free to like drop a comment and share your idea, or share maybe any tip. It can help someone out here. So yeah. And another thing is proper wearing, because proper wearing, it's kind of makes you comfortable and you're just easy, you know, because wearing like tight clothes, you tend to like you're pressed like you ain't comfortable. So proper dressing is a tip, and it's a very important tip. Just wear like flexible, loose, not like so loose, but just comfortable clothing whenever you are pregnant, that is. Yeah guys, those were the tips that I myself practice, and they worked so good on me, and maybe to some of you out here, I believe maybe one of the tips, or maybe two, have basically worked out for you. So another thing I wanted to mention about nausea, or maybe morning sickness, is, you see, like when the nausea or the morning sickness tends to like to be so severe, causing like abdominal pain and maybe severe headache, it is advised to urgently seek medical attention or doctor's prescription, like so urgently. So yeah, because nausea isn't supposed to be like so severe to the point of maybe headache and abdominal pain. And guys, those were the tips. Guys, this was supposed to be a quick one. Those are the tips that I practiced and worked out for me. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this point. But in case you notice you haven't subscribed to this point, please subscribe, because we are road to 1K subscribers. Tap on that bell to always stay notified for the next upload. And until next time, bye.